clever merchant. In a village, there was a merchant who used only 4 weighing stones in his shop to measure and give any weight up to 40 kilograms. How was this possible? Let us see what the weight of each stone was so that he could measure anything from 1 kilogram to 40 kilograms. Weights he had were 1 kilogram stone, 1 3 kilogram stone, 1 9 kilogram stone, 1 27 kilogram stone. Using these, he could measure any weight from 1 kilogram to 40 kilograms. Let us look at a few examples. You can measure every weight from 1 kg to 40 kgs by using the stones 1, 3, 9 and 27 on both sides of a balance scale. You can measure every weight from 1 kg to 40 kgs by using the stones 1, 3, 9 and 27 on both sides of a balance scale. Rule: stones placed with the item are subtracted. Stones placed opposite the item are added. So every number from 1 to 40 can be formed using combinations of. Let's see some examples. Weight needed. How to place the stones? 1 kg. Put 1 kg stone opposite the item. 2 kg. Put 3 kg stone on one side and 1 kg with the item. 4 kg. Put 3 kg plus 1 kg opposite the item. For 36 kgs, 27 plus 9. For 37 kgs, 27 plus 9 plus 1. For 38 kgs, 27 plus 9 plus 3 minus 1. For 39 kgs, 27 plus 9 plus 3. And for 40 kgs, 27 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1.